Stock Watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin. It's Friday, June 1st, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. And there's a lot of stuff to catch up on. So in headline news, so much for investors fretting about the old adage, sell in May and go away. Blue chip stocks may have ended today's session in lackluster fashion, but sellers this May were few and far between. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq finished mixed Thursday, but closed out a seasonally weak month with respective gains of 4.3%, 3.3%, and 3.1%. Before the bell, investors embraced another round of supportive merger and acquisition news. The day's biggest deal involved Wachovia saying it will acquire AG Edwards for $6.8 billion in cash and stock. Below average volume, though, indicated there was little conviction overall on the part of investors. Total volume on the New York Stock Exchange didn't surpass 1 billion shares until there were only 15 minutes left in the session. Soon after lunch, market anticipation continued to dry up as trading desks began to empty in anticipation of the extended Memorial Day weekend. The offer represented a 16% premium to AG Edwards' Wednesday's closing price and will create the nation's second largest retail brokerage. As one might expect, the news raised speculation of more industry consolidation and gave brokerage stocks a sizable boost. That, however, wasn't enough to lift the rest of the rate-sensitive financial sector, as banks and REITs were pressured by bond yields hitting multi-month highs across the yield curve. The absence of leadership in the S&P 500's most heavily weighted sector prevented modest gains from the likes of technology and industrials from playing a more influential role in today's follow-through attempt. Separately, a much stronger than expected rise in Chicago PMI overshadowed the U.S. economy's weakest GDP growth in more than 4 years, which was reported to be up just 0.6% in the revised first quarter reading. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by Compressed Technologies Incorporated. Compressed Technologies is a Nevada-based technology company who has garnered a group of patented and protected core technology solutions designed to greatly improve the efficiencies of bandwidth and network topographies for the cable TV, FMSCA radio, satellite, and wireless industries. Hidalgo Mining International announced today that it has received a formal offer from Consolidated Mining and Mineral to purchase all the outstanding and issued stock of HMIT for a consolidated purchase price of $2.15 per share. If the offer is finalized, CMM will immediately own the mining rights to the Northern Mexico coal property, which encompasses nearly 300 million tons of discovered and tested coal. Hidalgo also announced plans to construct a high-tech coal washing plant located directly on site at its Northern Mexico coal property. SunCal Energy Incorporated shares were boosted on the announcement yesterday that the company has completed successful drilling and testing of its deep development well in Wachovia County, Oklahoma. Collection and evaluation has been completed on the Sturgeon 111 well and has been deemed commercially viable. Marathon Oil will commence assembly of a more permanent drilling platform to support well completion on the Sturgeon 111 well and is estimated to spend an additional $4 million for oil and gas extraction. SunCal Energy Incorporated is a publicly traded independent oil and gas exploration company. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, make sure to watch for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each and every trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great beginning of your month, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
You've got it.